Hi guys, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're going to be making caramel dipping sauce in the Instant Pot. I lost my tooth. It happened last night. We're going to be using sweet condensed milk. We have to peel the label off the can. Oh. Sticky. There. Now we place a trivet in the Instant Pot. There. Now we open our can. Oh. Ew. Now we cover the can with foil. Uh-oh. There. Now we place it carefully on the trivet. There. I'm pouring water halfway up the can. I can't see. Whew. With the lid closed and the vent sealed, we can set our time. Set the pot for 45 minutes on manual. Now we have to wait until it's done cooking. Since now it's cooking, we can cut up our apple. Let me just put on my gloves, because knives are very sharp, so you need something to protect your hands. Whoa! Here. It's beeped, so now we can turn it off. Carefully move the knob to venting. This is going to be very hot, so be careful. There.
It's very hot still. Don't touch this, but let's take a peek, okay?
Wow. It looks kind of like butter jam. But we have to let it cool. The gloves. Are these mine? Are these mine, Mom? Yum. Sprinkles inside, then chocolate, then apples. Okay, now I want to eat it now. So now we'll give it a test. You want to try to taste? That is so good.
What do?
First you dip it into that. Then you dip it in whatever sprinkle. First we grab an apple. Dip it in. Then we dip it into some sprinkles and chocolate. Thanks for watching. I hope I see you next time. Bye!